Recent safety results from the Australasian New Car Assessment Program paint an interesting picture of where the industry stands today. Some models are clearly raising the bar, while others show how even small gaps can make a real difference when it comes to overall safety ratings. Starting with the all-electric Suzuki Vitara, it comes across as a capable and well-balanced vehicle in many areas. In everyday terms, it does a lot right. However, its 4-star safety rating highlights that there are still a few areas holding it back. The biggest limitation comes from its adult occupant protection score. During testing, results varied quite a bit, especially in the full-width crash scenario, where some areas performed strongly while others fell short. Another detail worth noting is the absence of a center airbag designed to protect occupants' heads during side impacts, something that is becoming more common in newer vehicles. On the other side of the spectrum, the newly introduced Audi Q3 delivers a much more complete performance. It earns a 5-star safety rating under the latest 2023 to 2025 testing criteria, which reflects strong and consistent results across all categories. This shows how manufacturers are increasingly fine-tuning every aspect of safety, not just focusing on one or two standout areas. According to Carla Horweg, these results show that reaching the highest level of safety is absolutely achievable, but only when every category is addressed with equal attention. It is not enough to perform well in most areas anymore. Consistency is what separates a good rating from a top-tier one. There were also updates to a few familiar names. The Audi A3 and Cupra Leon continue to hold on to their 5-star ratings even after specification changes, which says a lot about how solid their safety foundations are. These are the kinds of vehicles that maintain strong performance without needing major revisions. Meanwhile, the Nissan Qashqai sees a shift in its standing. It now carries a 4-star rating after being reassessed. While it still performs very well when it comes to protecting younger passengers, its overall safety performance does not quite match the latest benchmarks required for a 5-star result. What all of this really shows is how quickly safety expectations are evolving. A 5-star rating today demands more than ever before, and even small shortcomings can have a noticeable impact. For buyers, it is a reminder that looking beyond just the headline rating and understanding where a vehicle excels or falls short can make a real difference.